Welcome to the IIT Marketplace, your trustable peer-to-peer e-commerce platform exclusively for college students. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know to get started, from registering to buying and selling items. To sign up, you have to click on register button and you have to enter your detail here, like your name, phone number, email ID, and you have to select your college. Then a OTP will goes on your college email ID. You have to enter your password here. So an OTP or one time password will send it to your college email ID. Simply you have to enter your code and verify your account from here. It may be possible your OTP will go in your junk folder, so you have to check that. Also, if you want to sell anything, you have to click on sell and item button. You have to mention the name of item, describe that item, put the price according to that, choose the category, put both on it. Only you have to click this list my item button, so your item will be listed there. You can check that. Over here, you have to fill out the form with your product detail. Be sure to upload a clear, high quality photo and descriptive title. Choose a category and set your price. That's it. Once you are done, click the list product. Your product is now live and can be seen by other students on your campus only. Okay, there is a pop-up here. You can't contact yourself. So if you want to buy anything, this is on marketplace. So just you have to click on that product page. You will see all the detail of seller information to get in touch. Click on contact seller. So you will land on this chatting platform. Here you can chat, get that product. That's it. Please open a private source, chat directly with the seller on real-time messaging allows you to ask the question, negotiate, or arrange a meeting. You will also receive notification for new messages. The IIT Marketplace also features a premium channel for SEO product from verified campus and company. And so these items are SEO product by simple click buy but to complete your purchase, and the company will handle the delivery. Only you have to click here, need to save. You have to pay whatever the price it is. That product will be directly delivered to your address within 1 to 2 days. That's it. You are ready to start saving money and making cash with the IIT Marketplace. Join your college community today.